Don't pay any attention to me, Vita. She knows when I've got the camera on her. Yeah, she checks me out. The girls sharing this toy. Aren't they lovely? Hi. Here we are at the barrier. We're just on the veranda. Little camp spot there. We're in the Love Shack. This is the day bed, and the girls are hanging out.